If you use Cursor AI and you want a simple way to keep your private files protected, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable external file protection in Cursor AI, step by step, so the AI only works inside your current workspace and does not access files outside of it. This is a really useful setting if you want a little extra peace of mind while coding, especially when you have sensitive documents, personal files, or other projects stored on your system. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look for the gear icon, which is the settings button. Click that gear icon to open your Cursor settings. This is where you can control different parts of the app, including the security and agent options that affect how Cursor behaves with your files. After the settings window opens, go to the agent section. This is an important area because it contains the controls related to how Cursor's AI agent interacts with your workspace. When you're in the agent settings, look for the option called External File Protection. This setting is designed to prevent the AI from accessing, reading, or indexing any files that are outside of the currently open workspace or project folder. That means if you have other folders on your computer, personal documents elsewhere, or files in different locations, Cursor will be more limited in what it can see. In other words, it helps make sure your private system data stays secure while you're using the app. Now, all you need to do is toggle on the external file protection. Once you switch it on, Cursor will apply that protection setting so the AI stays focused only on the files inside your current project. This is especially helpful if you work across multiple folders and want to keep your code environment separated from everything else on your machine. After enabling it, take a second to double check that the toggle is actually turned on. If it is, then you're all set. You've successfully enabled external file protection in Cursor AI, and now your workspace is better isolated from the rest of your system. This is a small setting, but it can make a big difference for security and privacy. Whether you're a developer, student, or just someone experimenting with AI coding tools, it's always smart to check these kinds of permissions and make sure your environment is configured the way you want. If you want more step-by-step Cursor AI tutorials, more privacy tips, or more software guides like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next video. And if this one helped you, leave a like on the video. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.